there guys, how are y'all? Hope you're all staying at home and staying safe. So today we're going to be talking about Kingmakers IAS Academy Chennai. So to review this academy, we're going to be visiting blog.oureducation.in. So blog.oureducation.in is a 11-year-old website. It is a very trusted website that gives you honest and unbiased reviews about coaching centers all across India. Not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Google, Justdial, Facebook reviews, and Sulekha reviews. So as you can see here, Kingmakers IAS Academy in Chennai has been given a rating of 5 out of 10 by Our Education, which is so average. So you can also see their rating on different parameters like their past year results, their infrastructure, their batch size, their faculty, their fees. Everything has been given a very average rating. So the pros and cons of this website are also of this academy are also listed. So for example, their pros are that they have good infrastructure, they have the best batch size, their past year results were really good, and they also have difficulty level analysis. Some of the cons are that they do not have daily doubt sessions, no information is provided about the teachers beforehand, no shortcuts are taught, and no subject wise analysis. So if we look into the pros over here, best batch size, past year results, these are very important, very crucial things that you're supposed to look in an institution, because if they have a lower batch size, that means you get extra attention, your doubts can be cleared, and also if the past year results are good, you can find out the credibility of the institute using this parameter. So some of the cons which are very alarming are that they do not provide daily doubt sessions and that they do not provide shortcuts to crack the exam. So Kingmakers IAS Academy reviews are also given here by students who have studied in this institution. So you can find both good and bad reviews, because as I mentioned, blog.oureducation gives you honest and unbiased reviews. And so you can also read about Kingmakers IAS Academy, what they offer, and for example, what are the facilities that they provide. And over here you can see that they have produced very good results in the past year. And I would definitely say that go through this 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs, whatever is given, read about the institute and then wisely make your decision, because it's very important when you're going to write the IAS exam. It is so important, it is so crucial to choose the right institute that caters to your needs. So you can also find frequently asked questions on this page. Not only that, you can also pose a question that you have on this page. So the details of Kingmakers IAS Academy is also provided over here. So a link to their website, their address, their phone number, their fee structure, as you can see here, is a little on the pricier side when as compared to the other institutes we have seen. So their batch size is high. Again, this is alarming as well. Their past year results are really good. And you can also see the book recommendations on this website. So I hope this was helpful to y'all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with all of those friends who are also going to write this exam in the future. Thank you so much for watching.